go to work.
Okay.
They got everything measured up.
Oh yeah. So what are we making today, Oma?
We're making Pflaumenkuchen.
Pflaumenkuchen. And what ingredients do we need?
We need the cheese. What's it called?
Cheese, vanilla sugar from the German store,
Oil.
oil somewhere over
and
here,
some milk.
and we're gonna need some milk and oil.
And
Flour, baking powder, sugar, plums.
And I was going to make a Pflaumenkuchen. Grease that pan. I think I remember. Next time you go shop and bring me some of. Yeah, that's enough.
We've got some sliced plums already in sugar. And here are some more extra if we need them. Are we gonna need to slice more plums, Oma, or is this enough?
Huh?
Is that enough? Plums sliced?
I can slice them more.
Do we need some more though?
I don't think so. This is probably enough for this bowl.
Okay.
Okay, I got to. Here, quark airtight. Which one are we going to do? Which one? This one. 150. That's 300. Weizenmehl. I think this one will be good. 400 Gramm Weizenmehl. I'm picking Dr. Oetker. 2 gestrichene Teelöffel. That's 2 teaspoons for baking powder. Take this one.
Is it the same one as last time?
Why do you have this one?
And we have our German store baking powder.
You need 2 teaspoons for.
Okay. And Oma doesn't have regular measurements, so she just uses spoons.
No,
Those are dirty.
No, I got German. No.
Aren't those dirty?
No. This is the sugar measurement. For the measurement.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I show you. How much sugar we need. That is cubic centimeter. That is it. If we cannot cut how much sugar do we need. Make it 100 gram sugar.
100 grams of sugar.
Yeah.
Okay. 100. Okay.
And 150 gram quark. Do that after the sugar, the dry things first, yeah.
Okay. And I have never filmed and poured sugar before, so we'll see if I spill any more.
Quark.
Quark.
The cheese. It doesn't matter if it's a little over.
Oh no. We're doing measurements the old-fashioned way. I'm not really caring. Okay.
Okay, put it in the bowl.
Into our duck bowl.
You need both hands. Get that camera away.
It's for historical purposes.
No.
Next, vanilla sugar into the regular sugar.
Okay, vanilla sugar.
Oma just told me not to use this modern whisk. Today we are using
No, the
wooden
dough is
spoons.
getting stuck in there.
I hate whisks too, honestly.
Okay, the quark. You got to measure 150 gram in there.
Of the quark. Say it. How do you say it?
The quark.
Okay, so now we're gonna use 4 heaping spoonfuls of ricotta cheese. So Oma's gonna tell me if that looks
That's
good.
a good one.
That's a good.
Yeah.
It's not focusing very well.
Put another one like that and 2 more.
Okay.
The more cheese, you better the taste.
Okay, how about this one?
Good. Okay, let me do this. Okay, stir that together. And put the oil in it.
How much oil?
Uh,
How much oil?
I think it's 4 teaspoons. No, 6.
6 teaspoons.
6, not teaspoons,
Tablespoons?
tablespoons. You hold it and I put the oil in there.
Okay, we're gonna do it
Okay.
two-handed. Okay, 1, 2, 6.
6.
Good.
And now 6 spoonfuls of milk.
Okay, we gotta go get the milk. So this is what it looks like so far. Okay, now we're gonna do 6 spoons.
6 spoonfuls.
Okay. Here it comes. 1, 2.
Okay, that's the milk. Do the flour in here. Let me see which one we take.
So far we have sugar, vanilla sugar,
Stir it all together.
ricotta,
Stir it all together.
Milk.
Let me see.
and I'm gonna stir it all together, and I'm not gonna film it because it's too hard to do one-handed. Now we're gonna do flour. How much flour?
300 pounds.
Okay, you tell me when to stop. Mountain. How much is this?
No, it's not 300. You gotta put some more in there.
Okay.
Might as well do it a little over 300 grams. That doesn't look very much.
Doesn't look very much. More? Good?
Good.
Good, okay. Add?
And no, first you do the baking powder.
Okay. Whole thing?
No, not quite.
Okay.
Better get a teaspoon.
Little one?
So now,
That's good. Are you sure? Take a look in there.
lay that away now.
Why?
Because you gotta stir it.
Okay. So we're adding it dry into the wet.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we're going to stir with a wooden spoon. And Oma's gonna hold the bowl down so I can stir it
Otherwise-
one-handed.
You need both hands.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be pretty thick, huh? It's not supposed to be
Not a thin one.
not a thin one. Okay, this is our batter. Gonna go into our pan, which is nice and greased, thanks to Oma. And
I make such a terrible picture.
no, you don't. Okay, it's not a picture anyway. Okay, so we're gonna be back after we have spread it into the pan.
Yes.
So we have the crust, the biscuit, spread out, and then we have our sliced plums, and we're gonna put them really close together.
Really close together.
Okay,
Yeah.
just like that, and we'll see if we're
You can do it.
gonna need more, but
You're a good baker, but anyway. I got
Thank
the
you.
dinner ready.
so now it looks like this, and we have tons of plums left,
Looks
and even more over here. And Oma's gonna sprinkle it with a lot more sugar.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
For how long?
35 minutes.
35 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And that is that simple recipe from Oma's kitchen. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! All right, just out of the oven. Oma, is it done?